reselling, I guess.
We're not reselling. We sold a bunch of stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Hi guys, my name is Wendy. I am a part-time reseller. So this is my first YouTube video that I'm doing. But I thought I'd introduce myself first. Like I said, I'm a part-time reseller. I started reselling in 2014. I kind of got into storage units for a year or two. I got really interested in it whenever I got a unit and I looked into a whole bunch of designer shoes, Christian Dior, Louis Vuittons, Chanel, but the shoes definitely got me on my path to reselling clothing, shoes, accessories, all that kind of stuff. I have stayed home for the majority of the time with my kids, but the last year and a half I do have a full-time job. I do work for the post office. I thought about being the postal reseller, but I think it's copywritten infringement, so I decided against it. But you may see me sometimes in my blues. I'll try to cover up the logo so I don't get in trouble. But I love reselling. It's very therapeutic. I tend to buy more than I sell. But I do love sourcing. I love shopping. I love finding the deals. And until recently, I haven't really even thought about making videos, but I watch them. I love watching them. Watch them every day. But I thought, you know, some of the stuff that I do may help others, especially that are just starting out. But all right, so let's get started. I'm gonna start with Poshmark. I will say that I did have a customer who purchased something from me about a week ago, and immediately after she accepted her order, she started bundling more items. I have what I call my 4 for $20 sale. It's basically a lot of things that I am trying to get rid of. Some older items that have been sitting a while, or flawed things that I didn't know about until I got them home. Just stuff that just needs to go. But 4 for $20, she bought 4 the other day, $20. Then she turned around this weekend, bundled 8 more, which would have been 4 for $20. That's, you know, $40. She sent me a $35 offer. I counted it 38 because that's still a really good deal. $38 for 8 items. She got a good deal. And then she turned around, same customer, before I even shipped that order, and bundled 9 more items. I was like, what? But so the other 9 items she bundled were 8 of the 4 for $20 and then 1 regular item, but we'll get to that in a second. So this was part of the 4 for $20 that ended up being a $38 bundle. Some of it has tags. This is a Jones, New York Country, just a little sweater tank, still has the tags. It came from Steinmart, like a $50 tank. No big deal. Good deal. You know, she did get a good deal. LuLaRoe skirt, new with tags. Don't know why I bought it. I guess I like new with tag things. I don't know. I didn't pay much for it. Probably broke even on it after all the fees. That's okay. This Max jeans top. It's kind of cute, comfy. Sorry if I go too fast. Or look in the wrong area. Like I said, getting used to it. Okay, so this is a Ralph Lauren. Well, Ralph Lauren. Little one shoulder, cute little paisley neon top. Little Madison floral nylon stretchy top with some like floral petal embellishments. Kind of cute. Dressy. Perfect for spring. Easter's coming up. So this little Aeropostale skirt. It's got little elephants on it. It's pretty cute. Very simple, lightweight. It's not going to cost much to ship. This bundle is not even, yeah. This Aeropostale skirt, I think I bought this for my daughter back in the day whenever she went with me, but it's cute. And then the last thing in this bundle, I think, is this Gap really big, I think it's an acrylic little, just a little fringe scarf. Super big though. So that's part of the 4 for $20, the $38 bundle. And then her other bundle, one of the things she bundled were these Merrell flip-flops. They are little leather straps, but there's a little flaw on one of them, just a little mark. But I don't think they've really hardly even been worn. Like, look at the bottoms. But yeah, comfy, cute. Other things is this little t-shirt. I think I got this for my daughter. She never probably wore it. It says, I love skate boys. Kind of cute. Simple. And this little button-down blouse. I think it's New Direction, but it's got little drafts on it. Kind of cute. And there's this Ann Taylor Loft sweater. It's got these cute little gems. They look like they're rose gold. I don't even think it's been worn. It feels like it's never even been worn, but there was a tiny fabric flaw. I think it's a manufacturer flaw because it's on the inside. Then they probably returned it. Nothing else is wrong with it, so I included that because of the little fabric flaw. $5. But yeah, this is part of the second bundle, and like I said, she paid $65 for it. So all of the items she got for $5, and then there's a dress at the end. I think she ended up paying only like $25 for. So that's a pretty good deal. And then this is an Ann Taylor Loft linen skirt. There's just a tiny run somewhere, so I included that in the sale as well. But that's perfect for spring. And of course, there's this bongo. Came from Kmart. Still has the tags though. Super comfy little sweatshirt. It says up all night. Oversized, like I said, comfy. Did I say comfy? This Karen Scott little blazer. It's gold. Kind of reminds me of curtains, but it's gone. Don't know why I bought it. And this Anne Klein little beige, tan, and red. I so thought this was gonna sell around the holidays, and then like a year, 2 years goes by and it's still in my closet, so I'm like, it's gotta go. Didn't have it, but for maybe like 14 bucks or less. I don't know. But it's cute. It's gone. Cute little sleeves. And then the dress that she paid $25 for is this cute little Evan Bacone. It's kind of copperish, metallic. It's got a ruffle neckline. Pretty cute little cocktail dress. So those are the two bundles that she bought. And here's another sale. This is a J. Crew men's alpaca merino wool sweater. It's still new with tags. I believe it retails for about $200. I think I had it listed for about $95. Comps are pretty good. I just listed it at the end of January, I think, because I got it while I was in Little Rock, and I took a best offer of $65. But anytime that I come across like an alpaca, especially alpaca, merino wool, yes, alpaca definitely, I still consider it because alpaca is soft, it's highly sought after, especially anytime I find Pendleton alpaca. I'm all over it. But yeah, I like different textures, stuff like that. Leather, linen, wool, I just like it all. But yeah. yeah, this sold pretty good. I bought it at Marshall's, like I said, for I believe $12. So that was a pretty good profit. I sold something on eBay. I sold a pair of, it's my first eBay sell in quite a while. I signed up for List Perfectly and I cross-posted a whole bunch of things, and I finally sold something. I paid up for these. They are Keen. Love Keen. I have Keen. They're so comfortable. But these are little Keen, little Mary Jane shoes. I think it's a harvest style, but it's the plaid and the polka dot print. Very, very fun. Perfect for spring. But they are a larger size, so I knew they would sell pretty good. They are a 9.5. So, but I paid up for them. I think I paid like $7.87. I sold them for $38. And then the last pair is I recently started cross-posting to Mercari, and I sold these loudmouth shoes. Let me tell you the story behind the loudmouth. While I was in Little Rock in January, I did a lot of shopping on my free time. I was doing training, and so every day after training I would venture out to different thrift stores, Marshall's, all of the above. I would go even further, and I would go out of town, and I ran across this dirt cheap store. But they had a whole bunch of like ModCloth stuff. I got some ModCloth, and then these shoes, like I walked past them and I was like, oh my god, I am drawn to prints, color, very colorful things, textures. I think fun things, unique things just sell. I mean, they might sit a little while they wait for the perfect buyer, but I am drawn to things that are not boring. So, but the loudmouth shoes, they were all $2. I was like, oh, for real. But I had to do a lot of work. Like, I looked at them and they were all mismatched. None of the sizes were matched together. I had to go through, and I'm just not gonna lie, I bought 31 pairs. I lined them all up, and any pair that weren't damaged, that had a matching shoe in the right size, I bought. I know, a little crazy, but did make my first sell. I listed these for $35 on all the platforms. They sold for full price within just a few weeks. These are the big insects. They have butterflies, beetles, dragonflies, bees, ladybugs. They're just fun and cute. They're the Bella style. But yeah, $2. They're originally $59. All of the shoes do have the price tag, or the price wrote on the bottom of what the tag says, not what I paid, so it didn't bother me to leave them on. I just disclosed. But yeah, $2 into $35. I think that's a pretty good deal. So yeah, Mercari, they don't take a whole lot. So I hope you come back and see if I put up a new video soon, because I'm always shopping. I love the hauls. So I thought about doing one as soon as this whole quarantine thing is up, and I could start shopping again. Or I've got an idea. I have bought so much and moved it with me that sometimes I forget what I even buy. So opening a new bag that I haven't listed that's in the corner sometimes is like Christmas to me, and I'm like, oh, I totally forgot I bought this. So I thought about doing a video where I basically unbox something that I bought and I totally forgot about. So I don't know, it's just an idea. But this sounds interesting. Subscribe and let me know what you think. Have a great day.